low. Yeah. Okay guys, so we got a 5th generation Canarm industrial in here. Someone just turned it on low for me. Okay. This is low. And quarter. Okay, just got it half. Now a medium. Yeah, high. Yeah, this thing doesn't look like it moves that fast. It's the only one in here even. Okay. Is this how fast it goes on high? Okay. Oh, is this it? It's how fast it goes on high? Actually, it's not all the way up to high. It's like near off. Like if you turn it up just before, just don't let it. No, go to the just That's not like just turn it down to like here before off. Okay. It should now go faster. All right, this is high. It moves a decent amount of air, but it's not very fast. But yeah, I guess this is up to speed. And yeah, you can turn it off now. Not gonna do spin down because I don't have time. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And that's the control there. So yeah, thanks for watching.